Alright, I got a 2003 Galant with a 2.4 liter. It's a no start. I got codes p0335 and p0340. Crank and cam sensor circuit faults. On my scan data, it shows that I have crank sensor signal. It shows I have RPM. On my scope, I get signal on both crank and cam sensor. I have spark. You can smell fuel, but I still had no start. I've checked the timing mechanically. The timing marks line up. Kind of at a loss on what to do here. Here's what it's like when you crank it over. The batteries are a little weak, but as you can see, I got square waves that go all the way to 5 volts and all the way to 0 on both. My crank and my cam. My computer shows it. I have the bias voltage on both. If anybody has any advice on what to do next on here, let me know. Alright. Thank you.